For the best in eyewear, call Dr. Leaks Optometry.
Locally, Petrack Park was filled to the brim on the A, B, and C fields to view the annual fireworks show brought to us by Zambelli Fireworks. John and Eddie O'Brien, a father and son team, put the display together along with the music, which was accompanied on Ace Country Radio 103.1 FM. The show lasted 29 minutes and 18 seconds with almost a 3-minute finale. As usual, Zambelli Fireworks wooed the crowd, who pulled up blankets and chairs with family and friends enjoying their Independence Day.